Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new Tradingview feature that makes organizing your watch list a whole lot easier. We're diving into how to add asterisk sections to your watch list, and trust me, by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to neatly group your stocks, cryptos, or Forex pairs just the way you like. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Tradingview. If you haven't used it before, just type Tradingview, come into your browser, and log into your account. Take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can see your charts and tools. It's always good to double check you're in the right place. Sometimes Tradingview opens right into a chart, but you can always navigate back using the home icon at the top. Next up, look towards the top left of the screen and find the Products button. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up a list of different Tradingview features, things like charts, ideas, screeners, and yes, our main focus today. The watch list. If you're new to Tradingview, think of the watch list as your personal toolbox. It's where you can keep an eye on your favorite stocks, cryptos, futures, or whatever you happen to be watching at the moment. Once you're in the watch list area, look for the drop-down arrow. It's usually a small triangle or chevron to the right of the watch list name. Don't worry if it takes a second to find. Sometimes these small icons blend in, but once you know where to look, it's easy. Click on that drop-down arrow. A menu will pop up with some handy options, and what we want is right here. Add section, click on it. Now you'll see a new section appear right in your watch list. At first, it might just be called section, but don't worry, you can personalize it in just a second. To rename the section, simply double-click directly on the section title. This lets you type in anything you want, like tech stocks, crypto picks, or maybe even something like next week's targets. It's totally up to you how you organize things here, so use names that make sense for the way you trade or invest. Renaming sections is a small thing, but it makes a big difference. It's kind of like labeling folders on your computer desktop. Having those clear categories can really save you time and keep everything organized. And that's it. You've just added a section to your watch list. Super quick, super easy, but incredibly helpful. From here, you can just drag and drop different tickers or items right into the sections you've made. Over time, this is going to make your trading routine so much smoother, especially if you're tracking a lot of markets at once. So, if you ever felt overwhelmed seeing a long list of tickers, this new section feature is game-changing. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get things looking just right. Customizing your workspace is part of the fun, and you can always edit or rearrange your sections later on as your interests change. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or maybe some creative ways you're organizing your watch lists, drop a comment down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Tradingview tips just like this. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.